In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create animations like this. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Let's get started. There is a link in the description. When you tap on it, it will take you to this Telegram channel. So you just download this app, the hype test. You just download, then you click on it to install. Let me install, and I'll click on install. After installing, you click on open to launch the app. You can choose to join their Telegram channel or maybe later. So you click on OK. Okay, as soon as you click on OK, it will give you a list of templates hype test is having. Any of your preferred template, you just select. For the purpose of this video, let me select this one. When you get here, you select your background. So either you want a color or you want to use an image. So let me use color. Let me use red. Then you choose the size you want. So the ratio, the size you want. So it's either you want it 16 by 9, 9 by 16, 1 by 1, 4 by 5, or 4 by 3. So I'll go by 1 by 1. Then you select your duration. So it's either you want it 6 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, or 60 seconds. So I want it short, so I will select 15 seconds. Then you click on create animation. After clicking on animation, it will come over here. So if you want to edit these pictures and replace it with your pictures, you just click on it once, then you tap on edit, or you can choose to double click on it and it will open for you to edit. So either way it works. So you click on it once, then you click on edit over here. You edit. Then you click on the pencil sign over here. You click on the pencil, then you select your preferred image. Let me use this one. Okay, so you can use your two fingers to either paint to zoom in like this or zoom out. Then you place it at where you want it to be. Then you click on the mark sign over here. So you will see that the image you selected have replaced the image that was already there. So let's edit the text over here. So you just click on text over here. Then it will give you the first text and the second text, the text beneath over here. So let's edit the first text. So you click on it, then you type whatever you want to type over there. So let me type great Filippo. And I'll click the mark sign over here. So you can see that the one I type have replaced the default one. So this one too, you can clear it. Then you type what you want your animation to display. So let me type always at your service. Then I'll click on the mark sign over here. So let's play and see how it looks like. Awesome. You can choose to change the font over here. So you select your preferred font. Then you can also change the font color over here. So you click on color. Then you select your perfect color combinations over here. Better still, you can create your custom colors over here. So for the first shape, the second shape, and the test 1 and test 2, you customize your preferred colors over here. After customizing your preferred colors, you can also change the outlines over here. So you click on outline, then you adjust it to the width of the outline you want. Then you choose your preferred outline color. Then you click on apply. You can also use this size to adjust your animation by increasing or decreasing the opacity, the blur, the offset, and the angle, and also the colors. You can change it over here. After making all your settings, you click on the mark sign over here, indicating that you are done. After clicking on the mark sign over there, it will bring you back here. Here you can add music to your animation. So when you click here, it's having a list of music you can select from. Then it's also having sound effects you can also select from. Then you can also change the background over here. You click on it, then you click on change background, then you are good to go. Then also you can change the filter over here. You click on the filter, then you select your preferred filter. Also you can change the ratio over here. When you click on ratio, then you select either you want 1:1, 4:5, 16:9, 9:16, or 4:3. And also you can increase or decrease the speed of your animation. After making all these settings, you click on this download button over here to save. When you click on it, you can choose to save it as a video as it is, or you can choose to save it as a green screen, so the background will be green. So you can use chroma key to remove the background, and also you can choose to save it as a GIF. After selecting what you prefer, to either save it as a video, green screen, or GIF, then you select your resolution. Either you want it 480 pixels, 720 pixels, or 1080 pixels. After selecting your resolution, you click on export to save your video. You click on export, then you wait for a few seconds. Now that we are done creating our animation, let's check it out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.